We know accidents happen, and having the right first aid supplies is important. Introducing First Aid with Aramark. Our turnkey solution takes the pain out of monitoring and stocking first aid supplies. Not only are first aid supplies required for most businesses, but your employees count on them too. In fact, 58% of employees surveyed say using first aid supplies has allowed them to finish their work shift. We make first aid easy. Here's how it works. We'll stop by weekly to inspect, refresh, and record. We inspect your first aid kit every week to check for product that is running low or expiring soon. You'll always have what you need handy. That's because we'll refresh your first aid supplies during each weekly visit. One scan and your service visit is recorded. That's it. Easy tracking, no hassles. And our fully stocked first aid kits meet ANSI Class A product requirements. Our kits have all the necessities to help with minor wounds, including eye wash, cold compresses, and bandages. For a flat weekly rate, we'll monitor your first aid supplies and help you maintain OSHA compliance. Your supplies will always be organized and easily accessible, and you can count on us weekly. It's a pain-free process. Ask us how to get started today.